Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to write 0.528 as a percentage. So let's start with today's video solution. So right now 0.528 is in decimal form and we have to convert it in percentage form. So first understand the percentage. So this is the symbol of percentage and it is equals to 1 by 100. So in place of 1 by 100 you can write the symbol, or in place of this symbol you can write 1 by 100. So right now we need this symbol. So we will find 1 by 100 in our question. So 0.528, first this decimal I am going to convert in terms of fraction by writing 1 in denominator. Now to remove this decimal, I am going to multiply with the number of tens in numerator as well as in denominator depending upon the digits after decimals. So there are 3 digits after decimals, 10 times 10 times 10 in numerator and 10 times 10 times 10 to balance it in denominator. So our numerator becomes 528 and denominator becomes 1000. Now this 528 by 1000 I can write it as 10 times 1 by 100. Now this becomes 552.8 times 1 by 100, and we know that we can replace this 1 by 100 with percentage. So 0.528 in terms of percentage is 52.8%. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.